Naghanap ka ba ng matipid sa diesel, pang family car, long drives, comfortable, at premium feels? Ang Montero Sport GLX Manual na base variant na kakahalagang 1.2 million for cash purchases and zero down payment or 18,000 down payment na may monthly amortization na 30,000 monthly amortization and pay after 45 days. So once mag-avail kayo ng in-house financing, meron kayo makukuha na free upgrade into Black Series looks. Ilalagay ko na lang sa screen guys yung mga narelease na nating unit na i-transform natin into Black Series looks. So sa lahat ng mga interested kumuha ng Mitsubishi variants, i-message na ako guys, nandito sa screen yung contact details ko. And tutulungan ko kayo all throughout ng processing natin via online application lang. Locally employed ka man, business owners, OFW, CBs or land-based, pwede ka mag-apply dito sa dealership namin. 1 to 3 days lang, meron ka ng bank approval. So yun guys, sa lahat ng mga interested, i-message nyo na ako ngayon. Ayun guys, thank you for watching and follow for more.